Ever wonder how crystal clear calls and seamless video meetings happen over the internet? The secret lies in a powerful protocol called SIP. But what exactly is SIP? In this short and easy guide, we'll break down SIP for you. We'll explain how it works behind the scenes to connect your voice and video calls, making communication a breeze. SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol. Think of it as the invisible conductor that orchestrates your online calls. It doesn't carry the actual voice or video data itself, but it manages the whole process, from initiating the call to setting up the connection and even ending it. SIP is the backbone of VoIP technology, allowing you to make calls over the internet instead of traditional phone lines. So, why choose SIP? Here are some advantages. It can be significantly more cost-effective than traditional phone services. It offers flexibility, allowing you to connect from anywhere with an internet connection. Plus, SIP empowers remote workforces to stay connected and collaborate seamlessly. Ready to learn more about the magic of SIP and how it can transform your communication experience? Watch the full video for a deep dive into the world of SIP. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.